Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're continuing our exploration of the new Copilot functionalities in Business Central. And if you haven't seen some of our previous videos, I'd like to invite you to go check those out because we show some easy tricks to use that will make your life much easier. But today we're talking about a new feature that we haven't discussed before. Isn't that right, Kim? Can you guide us through this new fun feature?
Yes, I think we mentioned it before, but there's so many areas in Business Central where you can utilize the Copilot.
Right? Yeah.
So it's kind of take on your Sherlock Holmes hat and kind of discover the system. But this is one area we just wanted to show you. So if you want to kind of get some more information about a field in a page, or I'm on a sales order right now. So if you want to know something more about the document date field in the system, of course you could Google that, but we don't want to do that right now. We want to ask the Copilot help us. So if you kind of hover over the field like I'm doing right now, you can ask the Copilot. So if I go down here, ask the Copilot, it will open up the site to the right here and say, okay, now I'm actually looking for that. So working on it, it's looking out for that information out there in the big world, the big universe.
Look at that.
So,
Almost done.
And in here, you can see, so the document date field in Business Central is blah, 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 and so on. So this is just one example of how you can get to that information in an easy way. I know back in the days when I was young, way back, but you had big, huge manuals to kind of look through and read and kind of, oh, damn, that's boring. But nowadays, it's just there. Just click on it, ask Copilot, please help me understand what is this field for. So I think that's a great beginning of how to utilize the Copilot in a very simple way.
I would say it's awesome because it has happened to me a lot of times, especially maybe in area in Business Central where I'm not as familiar, and I go in and say, oh wait, okay, I get an idea of what that field is, but having the opportunity to just click and get the answer straight away without having to cruise through a list of websites and maybe pick the best one, I feel like that's a big step forward. So that's exciting.
If I may, just something that just came to mind now that we're looking at it. One way you can help yourself in a way is that to help Copilot. And you can see out here when it comes up with suggestions, you can kind of like it or don't like it, thumbs up or thumbs down.
Oh, that's fair. That's
another way to kind of work together with Copilot and say, okay, you did a great job. You found the information I was looking for. So let's give it a thumbs up. And then it knows about that. And you kind of take, that's a positive feedback. So I did something right. And that's kind of go into the logic of Copilot.
Well, that's great. And it's important because ultimately we want to try and get the system to work better and better so that it, not only it gets to learn more from what we need, but also, if we kind of skim out the information that we don't want.
Mm-hmm.
But now that you mentioned that, I noticed that there's also a small link. There's one reference. What is that? Ooh, I see. So it's not only that, it's giving you the direct link to the Microsoft documentation. That's great. So you really have the full tray of information in front of you.
Yeah, you do.
Awesome.
And you could say now we are working in Business Central and it's kind of a big community. So we're kind of all in this together because we all have interest in Business Central and how to get it to work the best, how to understand it, how to use it. So in a way, when you kind of like or dislike the suggestion that comes up, we're kind of helping each other in the community and making this product better and better.
That's great. And I think that, I'm definitely excited about this and all the other functionalities that have been released. So we hope you enjoyed this little mini series of videos on Copilot. If there's other features that you'd like us to cover or questions that you have, make sure to mention them down in the comment. We always appreciate your feedback. And in the meantime, we hope you will have a great day and we hope to see you also in one of the next videos.
See you soon.
Thanks for watching this video from NAV SEAL. Check out more right here. NAV SEAL offer assistance and counsel on any existing solution. So if you're in need of assistance, don't hesitate to contact us on navseal.com or LinkedIn. Consider leaving a like and subscribe for more tips, news, and guides to anything Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central.